Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 900. In this video, we'll do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next intraday session, that is for the Monday trading session. Now let's start our analysis with Nifty. Here I am using Nifty daily chart. This week, index has given a breakdown of this 19,300 level, which we discussed in the last week's video also. So Nifty has already given a breakdown, but we need a confirmation for this. That is, below 19,250 only, we can confirm that this breakdown is not a fake one and this is a genuine breakdown, and we can see a further fall in Nifty for the targets of 19,080, and the second target will be 18,942, the same targets that we have given in the last week. And the long position will be only above 19,650. Only above 19,650 we can plan a long. That is, this XABCD pattern gets activated only above 19,645. This ABCD pattern is already activated below 19,300, but index has given an indecision candle in the last, that is in Friday's trading session. So we have to wait for the confirmation, and if we see a close below this 19,250, we can say that this breakdown is confirmed and we can see further fall. See this trend line is holding this complete downtrend of Nifty. Before, the trend is buy and dips, that is impulse correction and impulse. Now the trend is sell and rise. This is the impulsive move and this is the correction. Again this is impulsive move, this is the correction. Again this is the impulsive move. Now we have seen a correction here. When this downtrend will get invalidated only above this 19,645. So this is a reversal from 19,645. The reversal of this trend will come. This level, this 19,250, below this 19,250, this is the continuation of this current trend, which is the downtrend. So we can see further moves like this till this 18,942. So the important levels for the coming week are above 19,645. Our targets are 19,800 will be the first target and 19,990 will be the second target. And on the downside, below 19,250, then our first target will be 19,080 will be the first target, and the second target will be 18,942. This is the PRZ area. If any option sellers are there, they can sell this range between 19,250 to 19,650, which is almost 400 points range. So they can sell this range until they see a breakdown or breakout of this levels, that is of this range. Now let's see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. For that, we will shift the time frame to shorter time frame, that is 15 minutes. So you will take the same levels in the Friday's trading session, this swing high, which is near 19,400. So above 19,400, we can plan a long for the targets of, the first target will be 19,450 and the second target will be 19,500 near this downtrend line. And our short position will be below 19,250, then our first target will be 19,180 and the second target will be 19,080. These are the levels for Monday's trading session. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty daily chart. In Bank Nifty also, now the trend is, before it was impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So now we are in sell and rise. This is the impulsive move. We have seen a correction like this. Again this is impulsive move, again correction. Again we have seen an impulsive move. Now it is in correction phase for this impulsive move. So what are the levels for the next week for Bank Nifty? We will short Bank Nifty below 43,600 and we will long Bank Nifty above 45,100. Below 43,600, then our first target will be 43,300 and the second target will be 42,800 on the downside. And our long position will be only above 45,100 for the targets of 45,600 will be the first target and the second target will be 46,000, somewhere here. These are the targets for the next week for Bank Nifty. Now let's shift the time frame to 15 minutes to see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. On Monday, if Bank Nifty sustains above this last on Friday's trading session, this swing high, which is near 44,100. If Bank Nifty sustains above 44,100, then our targets on upside will be 44,200 will be the first target, and the second target will be 44,300. And the downside will be only below this level, which is near 43,600. These are the same levels from the daily candle also, that is from the daily time frame also. Below 43,600 only, we will short Bank Nifty for the targets of 43,500, and the second target will be 43,400. These are the levels for Bank Nifty for the Monday's trading session. For any reason, if Nifty or Bank Nifty opens gap up or gap down on Monday, then these intraday levels, the weekly levels will work, but these intraday levels will not be valid, and we will wait for the fresh data, and we will update you in the Telegram channel in the live market. To join our Telegram channel, please use the link below in the description. If you have any doubts in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.